Hi guys, welcome back to RS Car Premium. So we are starting a series on audio upgrade. The first brand which we are going to review is Alpine S2 series. So this is a new generation of product from Alpine. So a lot of people would have faced this issue. Like my friend had this particular speaker in his car and it was very nice. When I started putting in my car, the quality of the speaker is not up to the mark. So this was the main concern of everybody who is upgrading the car. So there are two main factors which you need to consider when you are upgrading your car audio. One is what is the system which is there in his car and your car, and the second one is what kind of vehicle you have a Shift or an Innova, because on the Shift that vehicle capacity will be small, on Innova the vehicle capacity will be more. So if you use the same kind of speakers in both the cars, in Shift it will look very nice and on Innova the speaker quality will be very less. So whenever you are buying your car, just make sure that what is the capacity of your car and what kind of speakers which you are using. Either you are using a 240 watt speakers with a 80 RMS, 100 RMS or a 60 RMS, which is good for your car. You need to choose wisely and put it into your car. And other major factor is the quality of wiring, because when you are adding an amplifier or a subwoofer, if your quality of wiring is not good, the quality of the audio will not also be good with the high-end speakers also. So now we have got Alpine S2 series. If you see here, right, it's a component speakers and a coaxial speakers. Let us unbox and see what all accessories which comes through these speakers. So let's unbox the speakers. As you see here, right, it's an 80 watt RMS power and the peak power is 240 watts. And let's see what all accessories which is available inside the box. The first one is speaker. The best part of this is this material is made up of polypropylene, glass fiber and mica. When there is a huge bass also, it will not break down and there will be no distortion. The other best part is if you see the tweeters, right, it looks classy. And the other best part about this is you can just remove this. You can place it in the OE tweeter space. So it comes with an inline crossover and it is very easy to install. So the other one for the back doors is an coaxial speaker. This also comes up with an 80 watt RMS with a peak power of 240 watts, and in the speakers only you get your tweeters. Now you guys will be thinking like, okay, this is the ultimate speaker or this is the best speaker in the market. So I won't tell that this is the best or this is the ultimate speakers. So this is one of the best quality high-res speakers which starts with a budgeted. So this speakers is best for a 5-seater car, and if you are going for a 7-seater or an 8-seater car, we will always suggest you to go for with an amplifier and a subwoofer for the best quality audio upgrade. So if you guys are looking to get your car upgraded with good quality audio of Alpine, please reach out to RS Car Premium.